Google just announced Core Web Vitals, three new metrics that will affect your SEO rankings. Hi, we have with us Deepak Mankani, who is the SEO expert at Merkle India. Hi, Deepak. What are these Core Web Vitals and how are they going to affect SEO rankings?
Hey Umang, thanks for having me here. I think these core vitals are a very great step from Google because clearly Google is caring about user experience a lot more than they used to do before. So to give you some background, actually before Core Web Vitals started, Google also had a very special place of page experience, like a user experience with a single particular page on the website, and that was a core of SEO. We in SEO used to definitely look at each and every page and look at those key metrics that drive a very compelling user experience. Now, while there are so many such factors that define page experience, it was really hard for a developer to figure out what are those core things that definitely should be there on all the websites. So Google a couple of weeks ago announced three core web vitals, uh, and those three core web vitals are basically three metrics that every site should definitely care about. And those core web vitals are: first is your largest contentful paint, that is called LCP. Then you have first input delay, that is called FID, and the third one is cumulative layout shift. So if I summarize, core vitals are three things that a developer, uh, a user experience professional, and a website owner should always take care of uh, if the aim is to rank higher in organic and to provide a relevant branding and user experience to a user.
Sounds technical, Deepak. What does this mean for brands?
So what it means for brands, Umang, is uh, when you for example invest your efforts in SEO, at the end of the day you want traffic on your website, right? But what what if the SEO can only get you to a certain stage in Google, but after that it's your page experience that will do the job. So I think in some of the way it is very crucial for a website to work on these core vitals, because a, it will directly impact your organic rankings. Second, it will directly impact your paid spends, because if you know that quality score for a particular page is a crucial element when you want to rank higher for a paid campaign, be it social, be it programmatic, be it search. So overall, if you want to optimize your spend, if you want to have a very healthy site competing in all the different markets, I think core web vital is the way forward.
Got it. So SEO continues to keep evolving and become more and more integrated with SEM campaigns. So where should a brand start from?
So the first thing is to check where you stand, and Google has thankfully, as always, given a lot of tools to do that. So one of the tool is Google Search Console, that I think every website, every developer should have integrated. So Google Search Console is the first way to check where you are in terms of core web vitals. The second way to check is by using Google PageSpeed Insights tool, and a lot of third-party tools like GTmetric, webpagetest.org, Chrome User Experience Report. All of these have also integrated Core Web Vitals as a part of their propagation. The next step will be to troubleshoot them. The only point here is Core Web Vitals is a page level metrics, which means the brand should not be happy or sad if their home page is passing or failing the test. Every page matters, and that's what Google means by Core Web Vitals.
Sounds interesting, Deepak. So let's figure out more about these individual metrics in the next episode. Stay tuned.